Hi, here's a quick step-by-step guide to booking yourself for live online training. Now, towards the end of this video, I'll give you some tips on how to attend the training itself. First of all, please ensure you are using a desktop or a laptop computer and have the latest Chrome browser on your device. If you don't have a Chrome browser, you can download it free of charge. Just Google Chrome browser. By now, you'll have received an email with a link like this from the person who invited you. Double-click on the link. This will take you onto the company profile page that looks like this. From here, you click on Sign Up at the top of the right-hand corner. To sign up, you'll have to add your full name here and your email here. Read the terms and conditions, and then tick this box here. And then you confirm you are not a robot, and then click on Continue. You will receive an email with the account login details, including the password. Please keep this safe because you will need it later to log in. Now, after you've signed up, you will land back on the profile of the trainer. The first thing I would like you to do is click on the heart icon. When you do that, this will place a link in your own profile, so it'll become a lot easier for you to find them later on. And I'll show you this in the video as we go along. To book yourself for training, select the training session you wish to join by clicking on View More. Select the date and time you are expected to attend, then click on Book Now. Click on Confirm Order. Now, some trainers may ask you to complete a short questionnaire at this stage. If you see it, please complete it. If you don't, then just click on Close. Now, if you've been asked to book for more than one training session, you simply repeat the same steps by clicking on View More once again and follow the same steps. To view your bookings, you can click on your name that appears here at the very top of the bar, right next to the word Welcome. Now, this is your profile page. You will find all your booking links and training recordings on this page. Your favorites are located here. Now, this makes it super easy to navigate to the trainer's profile page. You just click on their name. Now, let's have a look at your bookings. Now, here's the booking I made earlier. When you click on the Start Session button, this will take you into the training room. So let's click on this. Now, this is what the training room looks like. You will be asked to allow access to your camera and your microphone. Please grant access for that. Also, the system will do a quick check to see if everything is working correctly. Make sure all these three boxes here are ticked green. If any of these have an X in them, that means that feature isn't working. So let me tell you a bit about the training room. Here you've got loads of buttons that you can use. When you first enter, you will see yourself on the screen here. This is coming off your local camera, and this is not being seen by anybody else. This is just for yourself to adjust your hair, adjust your position, or whatever you need to do. So this top button here is the camera button. Right next to it is the microphone button. And this button over here is the upload and download feature. This is where you can upload material and give to the teacher, or the teacher will share something and it will land in this button. So when you click on that, you will see all the files that have been given to you. This button over here is the Raise Your Hand button. This is really useful if you have a question for the trainer. When you click on that, the trainer will know that you have a question, and the trainer will give you microphone and camera, and then you will switch on your camera and microphone from over here. Now, this button right next to it is the Exit button. Please only click on this if you are ready to leave the training. Next to that, we got the session duration meter. This tells you how long the session has been going on for. Right next to that, we've got some emojis for you to use. There's a thumbs up, thumbs down, smile, sad face, a tick, and a cross. You can use this if the teacher asks you a question and you want to use an emoji to respond. Right next to that, we've got a language selector. You can change the language of the text that's typed in the chat. So if somebody's typing in English and you speak Arabic or Spanish, then in the chat, that text will come out in the language you've selected. And let me just tell you about the chat. There's two types of chat. There's public chat, and then there's asking private questions. If you type in public chat, obviously everybody in the room will be able to see what you've written. But if you have a private question, only the teacher will see the private question. Just below chat, you've got information about the trainer and the training. And below that, you've got a countdown going on. And this gives you an idea of how long you've got to wait before the training starts. And just to remind you, all of these buttons will become live as soon as the trainer starts the session. When the trainer starts the session, they will appear here on the big screen. Once the training finishes, you'll be able to watch the recordings of all the training that went on, and that training is available from your own profile page that you set up earlier on. To log into your profile page, you will need your username and password, and that has been sent to you by email already. Thank you for watching.